What's up, guys? LouisvilleDiddy back here. Cool project today, fixing up some old reclaimed tables I built about 8 years ago for a restaurant in New Albany, Indiana. And yeah, just gonna go through the process of fixing them up over time. They've gotten a few cracks down the middle where the joints weren't quite tight. These are the first tables I ever built for a restaurant, so I was very new to the process at the time, and you know, I was using dowels. Now I use biscuits, or sometimes I don't even use them at all because I have a better clamping system. These tables were also built in a barn. It was freezing. My wife helped me, my brother helped me, and it was a great project to learn how to do it, but I know a lot more now about the game. So gonna fix these up. A few of them just have a little bit of crack. 4 of these tables I did not build, and they had made later when they expanded their restaurant, and so we're gonna take a look at those and maybe fix those up and tighten them up. Thanks for watching. If you can, subscribe or like the page. Any feedback, comments you want to put below down here, bring them my way. Love to see it, love to hear from you guys, and yeah, just gonna keep putting videos out, make stuff when I can. So here it is. All right, so the problem here is these cracks right here. So every joint has 4 dowels in it, and it's a little bit cupped, you know, if you look down it. But we're gonna fix that up. These joints are pretty set. They got really good. Like I said, we made these in a barn in the cold, and that middle joint just really hasn't made it. So we're gonna fix that. All right, so I got them sanded up. It's time to glue them together. So these tables right here are some tables another company that when he expanded his restaurant built for him. And they're just some old floor joists from an old building with a little bit of plywood on the bottom screwed to it. They weren't joined at all, so we're gonna fix that, join them. This one's got a really bad cup in it, so I might have to do a planing a little bit on this one. I'm not trying to really get too far into it, but this is one that you put a glass in this thing and it just rolls right off. So plan is hopefully to square these up, make them a little nicer, and get them back to them. I'm at the local restaurant, The Exchange in New Albany, Indiana, and got all these tables back installed. They're still doing a little bit of remodel and spring cleaning, and I'll let them share that with you. But I wanted to share with you guys some of the tables we built. So that one right there is one of the ones you just saw me work on, as well as that one right there. And yeah, so a lot of fun. Love The Exchange. If you get a chance, go check it out. The Exchange Pub and Grill in southern Indiana, New Albany, right across the river from Louisville, Kentucky. And yeah, so thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe, please like, and if you like this video, give me some feedback. Tell me what you think. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.